Hey darlings, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video, guys. Today's video is about how to bath the baby from start to finish. Okay, so kindly stay glued to your seat as I take you through how to bath and dress up the baby. Okay, so guys, starting with the hair, I'm coming to bath the hair. So I've mixed my hot and cold water. Okay, so you didn't see me putting any hot water on the head. We don't do that anymore. So just bath the hair and then you raise it up and then you are good to go. Okay, so now we don't use hot water for anything on the baby. Mix up the water to be normal and then you use to bath the baby. Okay, so this is me bathing my fresh baby girl. So this is it. We are done with the bathing. So I'm using the towel to clean the foam in the hair. Okay, so this is how we go about bathing the baby's hair. So you can see I am doing top and tail. So done with the hair now. Going to bath the body. So I'll put my legs in the baby's bath and the baby will lie on my lap. So we do the bathing. So this is how we do it. And then you put the baby on your lap. So here you have to hold the baby well, especially when the soap gets into the baby's body. It will be very slippery. So when you are holding the baby, you have to hold the baby with much care. Okay, so I'm coming to bath the front and then I'll turn and bath the back as well. So this is it. So the soap that I am using for baby is Johnson Baby Top and Tail. So it's for the hair and the body as well. So it's the same thing I used for the hair and I'm using the same thing for the body too, because it can be used for the hair and then the body as well. So that is what I'm doing. And see some more sister holding baby, wearing the baby. So you can use this cup to fetch the water and then pour it on the baby, or you can use the towel like how I did the first time when I was bathing the hair. So you can use the towel to also fetch the water to also clean the foam on the baby too. Okay, so once I'm done, then I'll turn baby and do the same thing at the back for the baby. But remember to handle the baby with care, because immediately the body touches with soap and water, the body becomes very slippery. So you have to hold the baby with care. Okay. bathing, so I have to clean. So cleaning the baby now. So now we don't use hot water in pressing the head, the legs, and that stuff. See, they'll be pressing, they'll pushing the hand backwards and stuff. All those things we don't do again. Just give your baby the normal bath and nothing else, and your baby is good to go. We don't put hot water in a container, and we'll be putting it maybe in the bottles, the anus, and the hair, the vagina, if it's a male too, the penis and stuff. We don't do those things anymore. So just give the baby the normal bath and nothing else, okay? So our baby is done bathing now. So I'm coming to cover the baby with a big towel so it will keep the baby warm, okay? So wrapping the baby with this towel to make my baby warm. Then I'll go ahead and pomade my baby, and then so before then I have to clean my baby's face, okay? Because I've not put in any water on my baby's face, so just the towel. Then you dip it inside the water, then you use to clean the baby's face. The face doesn't need any soap then, that's why you didn't see me using the sponge on the baby's face. So just using the towel and then the normal water, then you are good to go. So I was waiting for a clean towel to also clean the baby's mouth, and also spirit and cotton. So this is the salt. I'm adding a bit of the salt in a warm water, and then I'll use a clean small towel, and you could see the girls were worrying me over there. So I'll dip my finger in that warm water with a pinch of salt, and I will use to clean the baby's mouth. If you do it every morning and every evening, your baby's mouth will be very clean and you will love it. But if you leave it like that, you see that whitish thing all over the baby's mouth. So anytime you bath your baby, just dip a pinch of salt in a warm water. You dip your hand inside, then you use to clean the baby's mouth. And this my baby was very hungry, and see, she was just licking my finger like something. So done with this. So I'm going to go ahead and then use the baby's pomade, okay, on the baby. So this is shea butter that I'm going to use, and shea butter is good for babies. So that is what I'm going to use for the baby. So I use same shea butter on the baby's hair as well as the body, okay? So you don't have to expose the baby. You have to cover the baby, but when you get to where you want to work, the working area on the baby or the body, then you expose that part, and then you do so. So you see the baby is still covered, and I am using the shea butter on my baby's hair, okay? So I'm using the same pomade to apply on the baby's face, okay? Same shea butter for the hair, the face, and the body. And it's really good. Shea butter is very, very good for babies. So sorry guys, I have some cold. That's why the voice is not like how it used to be. So pardon me. Alright, so using the same shea butter for the baby's body, and then we'll turn and also apply it at the back of the baby. And then my baby is done with the pomade, okay? done palmeting, and then the next thing to do for my baby is to wear my baby's hair diaper, so putting it on. So make a full video on how to go about it when you are putting on a diaper for the baby, okay? So guys, you can let me know down below at the comment section what you want me to do, any video when it comes to the baby, anything that you think I should do, like any video when it comes to our babies and other stuff, okay? So this is spirit and cotton. Even though the baby's cord is off, but still the wound isn't healed yet, so you still be putting in some of the spirit. So that is my spirit and cotton, and then I'll putting it inside the baby's navel, okay, so that to make the wound heal. And look at little sister, she was all over this baby. This baby did how these girls will worry her. No, it's not easy. So this is my rival's baby, okay, so my husband's little brother's wife, yeah. So that's their first child, that's their first baby. So we visited and the grandmother wasn't around, so I needed to bath her for the mom, okay? So you'll be seeing this my baby most often on your screen, okay? And then I'm putting on my baby's dress for her, okay? Then our baby is done dressing up. So guys, thanks so much for watching till this time. I say God richly bless you for your support. I really appreciate you all. So if this video is useful, kindly give it a thumbs up, share if you can, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly do subscribe and be part of this beautiful and amazing family, guys. So this is all. Bye 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 bye, and I love you all. I love you all. Oh, so until then we say bye. 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 We love you. We love you.